Now the students, next concept, comparison of decimals. How to compare decimals means less than, greater than. Which one is a greater and which one is a less, and ascending order and descending order. How to compare, so when 3 or more than 3 or 2 decimals are given, then how to compare which one is a smaller and which one is a bigger one. See here, in example, so he has given 3 decimal numbers, 3 decimal numbers. So what are the decimal numbers? 3.16, this is the first decimal, this is second decimal number, this is third decimal number. So first whatever the given decimals, that decimals we should convert into like decimals. What mean by like decimals or what mean by unlike decimals? Like decimal means the place values in right side of a decimals are same, then they are like decimals. So first 3.16, this is the first decimal, the second decimal is 3.061 and the third decimal is 3.086. See here, after the decimal point we have 1 and 2 digits, 1 tenths and hundredths. Here the second decimal number, tens, hundreds and thousands. 3 places we have. Here after the decimal right side, tens, hundreds and thousands. In third decimal we have 3 places and in second decimal we have 3 places. But in first decimal we have only 2 places. So one more place we need. So take 0 here. Now all these decimals converted into like decimals. Like decimals means number of digits after a decimal point. That means right side of a decimal point are same, then that decimals are like decimals. Now these 3 are like decimals. Now we compare. So which one means ascending order? Ascending order means increasing order. Increasing means first we should take smaller to bigger. So first decide. So which one is a smaller and which one is a bigger? See here, the first digit in one's place is 3, here 3 and here 3. So before decimal, so we have 3, 3, 3, all are same in the first, in the second and in this third. In 3 numbers, the first one's place is same. If one's place is same, then we move 10th place. In 10th place, here we have 1, here we have 0, here we have 0. 1 is bigger, so first we check the smaller one. 0 and 0 both are smaller. Both are smaller. In this again we decide which one is a smaller. So we move for next 100th place. Here 100th place is 6 and here 8. And between 6 and 8, 6 is a smaller. It means this one is a smaller. That is 3.061. This is smaller. And the second smallest one is 3.086. And bigger one is 3.160. Like this. So we compare the given decimals. First we move 1 by 1, 1 by 1, 1 by 1. So before the decimals, before the decimal point means left side. So how many numerals are given? So if all are there equal, then we go for the decimal places 10th place, that is right side of our decimal point. 10th place we should compare. Then if 10th places are equal, and again we move 100th place. In 100th place, which one is smaller? That is smaller. Okay. So this is the method to compare. Next one. Here, now the next concept is addition and subtraction of decimals. What is the next concept? Addition and subtraction of a decimal numbers. Then how to add and how to subtract. So when decimal numbers are given, the first one is 35.7. First 35. Now point here and here 7. okay, 35.7. Then after that 0 point, first we should take point here, point below, exact below, so we have to take point. Before that in ones place is 0, 0.4, 4 in tenths place, 5 in hundredths place and 6 is in thousandths place. Now in the first one there is no hundredths place, means take 0. There is no thousandths place, 0. Now if add, now this is the method to keep our digits in hundredths place, hundredth digit we have to take, tenths place, tenth digits we have to take. Okay, don't write in zigzag like 35.7 is given, 35.7 like that, 0.456. No, this method is completely wrong. Okay, exactly we should take the point below decimal, so write your decimal point, and after that ones place, ones digits, tenths place, tenth digit, hundredths place, hundredth digit, thousandths place, thousandth digit, in that order. So first we arrange in that order in column wise, then after that add, then 0 plus 6, that we know 6, 0 plus anything is the number itself, 0 plus 5, 5, 7 plus 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11, 11 means 1 in tenth place, and again the 1 we have to take carry over on ones place, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 0, 6, and this 3, 36.156. This is our sum, the total. So next, the next concept is subtract 0.763 from 2.3. 2.3 from means from number. So this number first we take 2.3, and after that this number we have point, first point number, and right side is ones place 0, and left side tenths place is 7, hundredths place is 6, and thousandths place is 3, and in other places 0 here and 0 here. Now minus. Now 0 minus 3 we cannot make minus from smaller to bigger. So take borrow from here 2. So it will decrease by 1. Here you will increase by 10. If again you take borrow from here, it will decrease by 1. Here will increase by 10. 10 minus 3 means 4 to 10 we have to count. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is 7. 10 minus 3 is 7. 9 minus 6 is 3. 2 minus 7 we cannot make minus. So borrow from here. So it will decrease by 1. Here it will increase by 10. That is 10 plus 2, 12. 12 minus 7 is 5. Point. After that point. 1 minus 0, 1. 1.537. So this is our difference. Okay. Now in the next example, subtract this value. This value, so we should subtract from sum of these two. Sum of these two. First we should find the sum of these two. Sum means add. We should add these two. Now sum of 718.5 and 328.78. That is 718.5. Then after that point is point, 328.7 and 8. 7, 8. Now subtract minus. So here 0. 0 add, subtract means add, not subtract. Here add, some we have to find here, addition. 0 plus 8 is 8. 5 plus 7 is 12. 2 and take carry over on ones place. 8 plus 8, 16, 16 plus 1, 17, 7 and take carry over 1. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. Then after that, 7 plus 3, 7 plus 3, 10. 10,047.28. From this sum, subtract 592.36. First you take 1047.28. Next 592.36. Now you find the difference. Difference we have to find. 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. Here we cannot make minus, take borrow. It will decrease by 1. Here you will increase by 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 minus 3, that is 9. Point. 6 minus 2, 4. And 4 minus 9, minute is smaller. So take borrow from here. It will get decrease by 1 means 0. You will increase by 10. Again from here 9, here 14. 14 minus 9 is 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. 454.92. So this is the final answer. Okay. Now the students see here in exercise 2. The first question, change the decimals in each of the following pairs into like decimals. So then how to convert these given pairs into like decimals? Here this is first decimal, this is second decimal. In the first decimal, after a decimal point we have two places, here only one place, means 0.7, 0.53. Here we have two places, here also we should take two places, keep 0. So then now we have two places after decimal here, and after decimal we have two places. So then these two are like decimals now. So here in this, after decimal how many places we have? Tens and hundreds. Here only tens is there. There is no 100 means keep 0. That is 8.12, 8.5 and 0. So here after a decimal, so we have two places, 1, 2. Here after a decimal we have two places, 1, 2. So this is about our like decimals, Now next B, arrange the following decimals in ascending order, Now we have to arrange these decimals into ascending order, ascending order, increasing order here. So after decimal we have three places, after decimal we have only one place, more two zeros you keep here, then you will get three places. After decimal we have two places, more 0 you keep, then you will get three decimals. So then now all these are like decimals. Now you compare. So which one is smaller? 0, 0, 0, point, 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 till here all are same. Here 6 in tens place, 5, in tens place 4, means 4 is a smaller, that is 0.432, and smaller than this is 0.5, 0, 0, 0 you can take. Next 0.620. In tens place, which one is a bigger? That is a bigger. Which one is smaller? That is a smaller. Now here ascending order. Ascending order. Here, so after decimal we have three places. Here only two places. More 1 0 we have to keep. And after decimal we have only one place. More 2 zeros we have to keep. Now all these are in like fractions, like decimals. Then now you compare from left to right. 4 point, 4 point, 4 point. In all our 4 points are same. Now tenths place. here 0.6, 0.6, 0 is a smaller, means 4.063, this is smaller. Bigger than this means here both are 0.6, 0.6. Again we decide which one is smaller, we go for 10th place. In 10th place we have 0 and here 3. 0 is smaller, means 4.600 or 4.6. Then after that the last one 4.630. These are in ascending order, okay. Now the next question, addition. Add the following numbers here. 7.05, then after that 8 point exactly the point, decimal point and decimal point will come in one row, one column. Then after that 3 in tens place, 1 in hundreds place and 7 in thousands place. Here there is no thousands, means there you keep 0 and add. Now you add 0 plus 7, 7, 5 plus 1, 6, 0 plus 3, 3, then after point. 7 plus 8, that is 15, 15.367, okay. The next one, .94, and after that 1 point should come in one column, 2. Then 61, 6 in tens and 1 in ones, 0 and 3. Here in the second decimal there is no tens place, keep 0. Now add 4 plus 0, 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 0, 11, 11, 1 here and 1 here. Then point. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 96.17. Okay. Now, subtract from. From means from number we should take this 92.7. From this number, so we should subtract 63.17. So, that is 92.7. From this number, so we should subtract 63.17. Now subtract. Here there is no hundreds place, then keep 0 in hundreds place. Now subtract 0 minus 7, extreme right digit, that is 0 minus 7, we cannot minus this. So this minute is smaller and subtrahend is bigger. If minute is smaller and subtrahend is bigger, then we should take carry. So borrow from the next place, that is from 7. So if you take borrow from here, so the value will decrease by 1. That is, if 7 will decrease by 1, so then you will get 6, decrease by 1, 6. Then it will increase by 10. 10 plus 0, 10. Now 10 minus 7, 10 minus 7, that is 3. 6 minus 1 is 5. And this is a decimal point. And after that 2 minus 3, 2 is a minute and 3 is a subtrahend. Minute is smaller, so again we should take borrow from the next place. If you take borrow from 9, it will decrease by 1, so it means 8. It will increase by 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 minus 3, 12 minus 3, that is 9. 8 minus 6, 2. 29.53. 29.53. Okay. The next question. This 438, so should subtract from this. From this means from number we should take first. What is our from number? 672.89. So then after that 438. Here there is no decimal points. Here you take decimal here. Here we don't have any digits, means 0 0. You take 0 0. 438. 438. Here we don't have decimal numbers, means there we should keep zeros. Okay. Then now subtract. 9 minus 0. So any number is subtract. So 0 is subtracted from any number. So the answer is the number itself. 9 minus 0 is 9. The same 8 minus 0 is 8. Point. And after that, so 2 minus 8 we cannot make minus, borrow from here. It will decrease by 1, here you will increase by 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. 6 minus 3, 3. 6 minus 4, 2. It is 234.89. So this is the difference. Okay. The next question. So from the sum means, so we should add these two. From the sum. So from the sum of these two, so we should subtract 93.4. 93.4. It means first we should find the sum of 217.43 and 306.1. Sum of, that is 217.43. That is, after that 306.1. Here there is no hundredths place, means 0. Now find sum. 3 plus 0, the number with 0 is number itself. 4 plus 1 is 5. Then after that decimal point. Then 7 plus 6, 13. 13 means 3. In 1's place, 1 take carry over on 10's place. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 0, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. It is 523.53. So subtract. Now subtract from sum. Subtract 93.4 from the sum. What is our sum? 523.53. From this 93.4 we should subtract. Subtract minus. There is no hundredths place, means 0. 3 minus 0. Any number minus 0 is the number itself, that is 3. 5 minus 4. The two consecutive numbers difference is 1. Then after that decimal point. Then 3 minus 3, same number with same number, the difference is 0. And after that 2 minus 9, minus is smaller, so borrow from the next digit. It will decrease by 1, it will increase by 10. 12 minus 9, 10, 11, 12, it is 3. And here we have 4. 430.13. 430.13. Okay. Now after that, the next one, subtract from the sum. Sum means first we should add these two. And after that subtract. Sum of 1290.8, 100.253. Now of addition. Here, so in the first number, so we have no hundredths and no thousandths place. Now add. 0 plus 3 is 3, 0 plus 5, 5, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 means 0 here and 1. Take carry over on 10's place, okay? Okay students. Now after that 1 plus 0, 0, 0, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 0, 1. Then 9 plus 0, 9. 2 plus 1, 3 and 1. 1391.053. Now subtract. What? 428.15 from the sum. What is the sum here? So 1391.053. This we should subtract from, so this one 428.15 minus. Now here, so here no hundred thousands place 0. 3 minus 0 is 3, 5 minus 5 is 0. And 0 minus 1 we cannot make minus. So borrow from the next digit. Here you will get 0 and 10. 10 minus 1 it is 9 point. 0 minus 8, mine end is less. Borrow from the next digit. 8 and 10. 10 minus 8, 2. 8 minus 2, 6. And again here borrow 13. 13 minus 4, 9. 962.903. This is our final answer. Okay. This is about, so the second exercise. Second exercise is based on the comparing quantities, comparing decimal numbers, addition and subtraction concept. Okay. The next concept, so we are moving towards another multiplication concept, that is, what is another concept? Multiplication. When decimal numbers are given, then how to multiply. So this is our next concept. See here, find the product of 2.36 into with 45. Then how to multiply? See here, 2.36 into 45, multiply with 45. Then how to multiply? First, so first we multiply 5 with 6. 5 6 are 30. 30 means 0 here and 3 on 10th place. Next, 5 3s are 15. 16, 17, 18. 18 and 1 here. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So this products is nothing but 236 with 5. First, you don't consider this decimal point. Okay, don't consider decimal point. At last, we should take the decimal point. Here, you don't consider decimal point. Now, with 4, 4 6 means first this is 40. 40 plus 5, 45. So now we are multiplying 40 means 1 0 will come at the very beginning. This is 4 is in tens place, in tens we have 1 0. So after that, now you multiply. 4 6 are 24 and 2. 4 is 12, 13, 14, 14 and 1. 4 2 is 8, 8 plus 1, 9. This is the product with 236 with 40. Now add. 0 plus 0, 0, 8 plus 4, 12, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 9 plus 1, 10. This is the answer, this is the product. After getting the product, now we keep a decimal point. See here. So in this, after how many decimals we have, how many digits we have a decimal from right to left? After 2 digits. 1, 2. After 2 digits we have a decimal. In the answer also, after 2 digits we keep a decimal. Here we should consider a decimal after finding the product, that is 106.20. This is our product. Okay. Now the students see next concept, multiplication of a decimals by 10, 100 and 1000. When we multiply with 10, when we multiply with 100, then when we multiply with 1000, then how the product will come? See here first multiply with 10. So whenever we multiply with 10, the decimal point move one place right side, one place right side. Here we have a decimal point. If we multiply with 10, the decimal point will come after 5, after one place, that is 65.8. It will move after one digit. And here also multiply with 10. If we multiply with 10, the decimal point will get after one digits from left to right, that is 98 point. After the number point will come, if after the number point will come, then no need to keep point. Okay, 98 is the answer. Then if we multiply with 10, so the decimal point will move here after one digit, 0.6, that is 0.6, 0 point. This is the answer. When we multiply with 100, then how the decimal point will move after digits 1, 2, after second, here point will come, that is 692 point will come after the number. After that no numbers means no need to keep point. Here point will move after two digits, here only one digit is there, one more 0 we have to keep. Point will move here, then after here, then 870 point, no need to take that point after the number. Here with 100 means point will come here, then after here, then 008 point, no need to take point, 008 means that is 8. If multiply with 100, it moves two digits from left to right. If 1000, 3 digits. So here after the decimal we have only 2 digits, one more we have to keep 0. After here, here and here, that is 7680 point, nothing is there, then no need to take point. Here after 3 digits, 1 digit, 2, 3, more 3 zeros, more 2 zeros we have to keep, 5400. Here after 3 digits, the first digit, second digit, third digit means, so after 9, 6279 point. After the number nothing is there, no need to keep a decimal. After a decimal, if some more digit is there, then keep decimal, otherwise no need to keep decimal. Okay. Now this is the method. So when we multiply, then how the decimal point will move. So when we multiply with 100, how the decimal point will move. So if multiply by 1000, then how the decimal point will move. So if you multiply with 1000, then it will move 3 digits from left to right. If multiply by 100, the decimal point will move 2 digits. Multiply by 10, 1 digit. If in 3 digits, more digits we need means we have to keep 0, and after that keep decimal. If after the number, if decimal will come, then after that no digits are there, no need to keep decimal. Okay. Now the next concept, multiplication concept only, decimal number by decimal number. How to multiply decimal number with decimal number. See here. So here in example he has given, so decimal number 7.36, 7 point multiply with 3.6. Now, so now you multiply first 6 with 6, 6 are 36 and 3 here, 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 3, 19, 20, 21, 21 here, and 2 we have to take carry over on 7. Next 6 7s are 6 with 7, 6 7s are 42. Don't consider decimal now. So don't consider this decimal. So in this situation, 6 7s are 42, 43, 44. Then after that, start our multiplication with 3. So means at very beginning should to keep 0 here. Then now start multiplication with 3. 3 6 are 18, 18, 1 we have to take carry over on 3. Next 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 0 here, and 1 take carry over on 7. 3 sevens are 21 plus 1 22. Now add 6, 8 plus 1 9, 4 plus 0 4, 4 plus 2 6 and 2. Then now we consider a decimal point. How? Here in the first, after 2 digits we have a decimal from right to left 1 2 after 2 digits. Here after 1 digit we have a decimal 1. Total 3, 1 2 plus 1 is 3. It means in the product after 3 digits we have to keep a decimal 1 2 3. Here 26.496. In this way we keep decimal. So one more time, see here, in first decimal after how many digits we have a decimal from right to left, that you note down. And in the second decimal number, after how many digits we have a decimal after 1 digit. Then 2 plus 1 3. It means in the answer last means from right to left after 3 digits we keep decimal number. This is our method. One more method is there, second method. If you want to follow, then see. Second method. So what is our second method? 7.36 into 3.6. 7.36 means 736 by 100 we have to take. After 2 digits means still 100th place is there. So by 100 we have to take. Here by 10ths only there, that is 36 by 10. Then multiply 736 with 36 divided by 100 tens are 1000. If 736 multiply with 36, then what is our answer? 26,496 by 1000. In 1000 we have 3 digits. So after 3 digits we keep a decimal from left to right, that is 26.496. This is one more method, so that we follow our addition or multiplication, okay.